I said it before. Attire yourself the way you're supposed to. Be presentable to go in the church. That's what I asked for.
Miss Renee,
Yes, sir.
big rumor, I don't know if a rumor, but a big talk a girl and I say money over for the funeral. 700 and thousand.
Really?
I hear
Really?
that. I
False,
see that. Them
false
say that too.
allegation.
Well, I know, bro.
False allegation. And false allegation. False allegation. The only
All
thing.
right, mommy, just clear up that phone, please. Make we hear what I go on. Because them I say 750,000 or CPI.
I show with limousine service. With limousine service. Eh? Hello. You know, have a good day and take down my picture, please. May I ask you now, take down my picture. I
No
come
problem.
from a distant home, very distant home, and the only reason I had to be on social media is to just let you people know the facts instead of running around with false news, false information, because I know this is what the media wants. Anything that is
that's true.
negative, anything that is negative, but I am not in it.
One more time again, mommy said no money no owe, because I've that them
No
have
money, no. I'm not telling you,
Yes.
I'm telling you already. Listen, I told you already.
Look
No
here,
money
look
was
here,
owed.
sir.
I'm not telling you a long time.
Look
No
here,
money, no.
sir.
People
You
are
don't
stay,
need to
man.
stop. You don't need to stop, because at the end of the day, they're going to come a point where you have to just stop call Xavier Aquin Foga name, you know, because he's buried now. You understand?
Yeah.
He's buried now. And sooner or later, people have to go stop. You see all them clipping there with them, all them picture, them thing they have to go take them, because I'm going to make sure them thing they happen straight. All right. It over and past, and I don't even want to take up my phone and hear all these things because it irritates me and it breaks me down.
If you tell the truth, then mommy, we want justice for Niah, and I don't know him,
That
mommy.
is true. That is true. That is true. But everybody, if you want justice, everybody come twisting this, twisting that, and it's gonna be all twisted. It's gonna be you ever twine something and you just a twine it till it just pop off and it done.
We are going to untwine it for them. So when them are twine it, we are going to untwine it. We who want
Everybody want justice. Come want justice to my child too.
Yeah, we are
We
going
want
to
justice to my promising fit them.
On point. Can I say something as I say? That's why I say, Mummy, you see what I say earlier? And this is the time I say again. When you're the dad, only time you talk to him, because it a go work for him get justice, Mummy. Me the overseas, right? And you know, say when they are foreign country, no matter who for name call, who in the yard, who say ever, a foreign there, and a Jamaica them cover up stuff. Somebody close, and the only way it gonna happen is if you get overseas detective and deal with this. Me just talk to his dad and Kevin. One man named Kevin, he is a big TikToker too. He's on his life. I was just on the live and I say, the dad not saying about Una, dragon name, nothing. As I say, Una,
I know,
the relationship.
but I just came on it just for this lady who was talking.
Okay.
You know, what if somebody say the mother and the father greedy because they could have said something or step in when CPR said he was going to do this and was going to do that?
Don't watch them. You see, black people are so we is, you know. We always bring down one another, you see. We now go elevate it. See me I say, because all we think, I saw we always live like crab in a barrel. If you notice the Asian and the Chinese them, they all could live in one house and they all survive. And when they get out of that house, they make it. They all survive and strive. But we black people, we there in our house. One man asleep on the bed for too long, he's watching him. Oh, you're sleeping too long. We're not sleeping on the ground and try for comfort and try to survive. But as I say, Mommy, don't make them drag you down and stay strong.
They can't because the internet is just for critic. And I'm glad to take it. Because
you see me, I say, the people them wicked.
No time. Charlotte Parks is not gonna walk and hold down her head in the ground like.
But you see, it I gotta reveal your son. I gotta reveal. You see your son, he's angry. He never, you never seen a rain fall. Do you notice the rain? Me watch him man thing. The man is angry. No rain fall or nothing. That to show you say he's not at peace with somebody.
You know, so when me get up in the morning, yesterday morning, you have to run back inside and say, yes, Papa, you just realize so you're dead. Yeah, you just realize, but you don't have to cry. Don't cry.
You never cry.
The rain fall here yesterday morning in St. Anne's Bay right here. It did not fall hard like that.
Okay. But through the funeral, I guess him listen to what you say because as I say na mommy, him know and the man hurt. You see the day when me hear say your son drop out, because I watch them, you know, I do TikTok, you know, as I see on point and them money I do it. All of we are do it for, you see me, the fun. Your son do it and he must shine. As I say, the money that do big things. But you see, we Jamaican, we always use our mouth and talk what we are do and tell people because you know we feel good. We love the people them around us. But them just eat and then bring it down. So now we have to do now, we have to watch what we are do. The surrounding where we not keep certain people. You see me, I say, you know, and you see God said, and everybody here for help. Not some Christians gonna help Christian. Do you see that happening? And everybody you can't help your family all the time because of them see a man I go drag you down, mommy. Him same friend them, me not say who, cause me an investigator for do this. But as somebody were close to him do this and it all orchestrate mommy. I mean I tell you that.
Let me tell you something. The 48 laws of power. It says, conceal your intention, keep people off balance and in the dark by never revealing the purpose behind your action. If they have no clue what you are up to, they cannot prepare a defense. Guide them far enough down the wrong path. Envelope them in enough smoke. And by the time they realize your intention, it will be too late. People with plans never ever reveal it. Build a fence around.
Facts.
Let them see. Surprise them. And I always say this to my kids. Whatever you have inside, work on it. Don't ever reveal what you have to do because people is not happy when you're striving. You can tell us something real quick. Be and ask anybody. Nobody in this town ever see me walk with a woman. Nobody. Nobody. Me stay by myself. My work, I'm a pitney them. My work, I'm a pitney them. Even to the lane and the live, you call and ask anybody I come to yourself. Morning, I'm gone. I don't have time for people.
I'm gonna say this. Niah has been gone for 4 months now, and I feel like people should just let this guy rest in peace. I don't see why people for come now after the funeral with the same bagger and the same mix up but money not pay, because one thing I know, if money not pay, the body can left out of the funeral home. The lady when named Beanie G went on a live this morning. I saw her over there and she was saying that Miss Shernette called her and she was crying because money owed the morning of the funeral, and then about 10 to 15 minutes, them say them a bring out Niah body to go put in the earth to carry go to the church. People need to just stop. People, just low life people just come on the internet and bring down mother, bring down father.
People need to leave people business alone and
exactly.
Go start
And if
business.
people
know what time these women have to be on internet if they don't have things to do.
And if people really love and respect Niah, them would not disrespect the mother, disrespect the father, disrespect the baby mother. Because when you disrespect these people, you're disrespecting his child. People need to just love people business alone. And some of them have dirty clothes on the back, soap up from last week. Go and wash up the dirty drawers, them, and love people alone. You get what I'm saying? Leave people alone. If you don't depend on the internet, just show no support. Certain things, if you don't notice, you know, if you don't notice,
right now, I go make my pitney them dinner or whatever. Mr. when me have to see already, I'm out of the box because I am not this internet person.
The thing about this,
big up yourself, Niah, mother.
I notice another mother or the father, another mother or the father get up and start drama, and people on the internet just keep on dragging these things.
The father move on back and get back on topic.
It's not even the family, you know. Another family, you know.
If you now watch everything, better you not say nothing. Because this a man where you see on the picture right here, so him in a drama. Better you say leave the mother alone and certain people when in the drama. But him, we slack well drama.
No man, the father drama queen. Him love the internet. This man want to be a TikToker. The father want to be a TikToker. Yeah. And love the TikTok.
Hello?
Remember
I have something to say. I'm going to come down. I honestly
baby
feel
girl.
like from Niah dead till now, the whole internet make Niah not get justice. Why me say that them pin Niah dead pan so much people. Right now, if them pin it pan the real killer, I'm not gonna feel no way, cause if amount of people them pin him Niah dead pan, them no make the police do them work. Everybody turn investigator, everybody else say this a one,
The
this a one.
police
It don't
are
look good.
workers because
Leave
there
it,
is
make
an
the police do them
organization.
work.
There is an
The police
organization
are
that try to
working,
pull
man.
down somebody with along with Niah's death. If you not overstand, there is an organization and nobody and on the internet. I
And
try
I
to
want man
Is
to
the
that
internet too?
there
Is
is
the
an
internet too?
organization.
Mama,
Because
I look
them
funny.
the
See
people
right,
them
man.
pin Niah dead
You're
pan
on
so
point.
much people.
On point. Hear me I say
Yo.
you. And you see how you gotta do it. I'm like how you doing it. You have the cloud, you know. You see what you have to do. You have to get for sit down with them people here and find out if a them thing you gotta do. You see me I say my father. No be like them people here. You see me if you
Alright, give me
can
a
get the
second,
real
bro.
truth.
Give me a second, bro. Alright,
You
so
see
the
me?
police them are do them job, but people for understand the trigger man is already out of the way. The police are do them job, you know, get it confused. And them youth are involved and use the internet as distraction.
That's what I
You see
alright.
me? Bobo stay so them all of them youth that use the internet as distraction. Why
That's
when them
all
are
me dey want
now, you
say.
see me? And them are use the internet as distraction and people are buying to it and slack it themselves. He got me sharing it and I don't know already. Any platform I depend if you don't ever say Miss Ash, never this one. So please,
Manners,
please,
manners,
keep
manners.
it together. You know?
Malia,
You're on point.
Yeah, me
Naya,
G.
dad,
Yeah,
what
man.
Naya?
So yeah, pray. You see me I say? And you
Yeah,
see
man, I
if
listen to you.
people forget to understand how all our state, all our is a little corrupt place. You see me I say, me dan?
Cool. Yeah.
No outer port man now go come in and all our can do no killing.
Cool.
See? You see every man where you see all our and them friend do it.
Use the word analyze, my bro, please.
You see?
Yeah, papi. So where they say? All have a bad place.
Not that, bro,
Simple.
you get on point.
Simple. Watch it out.
Don't take care, just
Simple as you
analyze.
see it.
So I'm fine. Big up here. Look more.
And point is as simple as you see all
With some of
our.
them on point.
All our is
Some
a
of the people when I
corrupt
box,
place.
like one people talk at a time.
You understand? All our friend killer. You understand? The moment you start making little money, you see, even if you do it good, they will go on and get rid of you. You understand? I dog one friend them do it. You understand? When you eat with, when you drink with, when you ride up and down with, everything with my fam. You understand? But the end of the day, you know, they always say, on the same day, leaf drop in the water, you go rotten. You understand? The dog get a proper send off.
And that's why important.
You understand?
Proper send
A
off.
proper send
That's why
off.
important.
You understand? But
Yeah.
it's so, it's still away where the dog go back in a hometown in a casket, my dog.
At God on time. It's like the brother.
You see?
God on. You say God on what time?
Yes, say.
Type again.
Yes,
Type
say.
again, I'm saying.
Or the dog go back in a hometown and the son, he should have go back in a hometown. You understand me, fam?
That's a fool.
But I just got on time, man.
Bring that. You see?
People
right
been a
now,
say, yo, a town man come do it. People been a say, yo, a man from way down, so no, brother.
No time.
Outer port man, nah, come in our area, come do something. Remember that. You understand?
Me no say. God on time, send a request.
If you, what on point, if you realize, you see how him yard set up, if you know how him yard set up, you have to know the yard by your hand back. If you go in the
God
yard,
on time.
to find him round this so. You see me? So I just say things that my father.
God on time, internet bad.
Yo, you hear me top of the morning while going there?
There, man.
Yeah, man, fam. Good morning to all of the people on the panel. Yeah. All right.
Morning.
Yeah, you know, me depend on your life still, and me I listen to everything what go on and thing. And me I listen to Shernet and thing and everybody. I want to say respect. Me depend on my life, go sit down. Go and sit down. Yes, so basically now, me just put in my 2 cents in the thing, you know what I mean? As we say,
man.
you know, say internet is a thing now where every man to their own opinion, every man to their own idea, and every man to their own reasoning, you know what I mean? So anything where a man say you can't stop a man from self for them thing, and a man opinion for them, and we all can agree with that. So even if a man says something and you know like